Looking for a way to boost your income quickly and easily? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to introduce you a free app that will help you earn more money faster than ever before. Watch this video now and discover how this free app can change your life. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Imagine having a side hustle that allows you to make extra cash in your spare time without any upfront costs or investments. With CoinApp, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a student needing extra funds, a stay-at-home parent looking for flexible work, or simply someone who wants to increase their income, this app is the answer. Coin is a free app, you don't need to spend money to start earning, and does not promote wagering real money or items of value in exchange for the opportunity to win real money or prizes. Say goodbye to long hours and low wages. This app will empower you to take control of your financial future and start earning more right away. It's easy to use and requires no previous experience. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Join over 5 million users on Coin and earn rewards by walking, running, and even driving, and much more. Coin has a variety of redeem options, and they're always adding more. Daily rewards and bonus drops. Use the Auto Explore feature to earn on the go, or establish a home base if you'll be spending the day indoors. Power up bonus drops and collect them every week. Earn even more coin and rewards by completing quick surveys, playing mini games, or trying a variety of other features. Play with friends. Coin allows you to use referral rewards links to earn more when your friends join in on the fun. Invite a friend to earn more coin, or simply compete to see who can earn more coin faster. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Download Coin app and get started earning free rewards today. In the end, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.